Welcome back. I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 36th video from the eShop Web Project Development series. So in this video, we are going to talk about the feedback sending process of this purchase history page. Now, if I talk about this purchase history page feedback sending process in brief, what happens over here is, now that think you went to Zara's or Amazon or AliExpress. Now you purchased the product and now they're asking to tell whether this product is good, neutral or bad. So this is the process that we are going to do over here also. So now let's examine this process. Now let's begin. First, you should go to your purchase history page. So that's usual. Then what you should do is that we made this purchase history page in our previous videos. So what happens over here is the products that I have purchased from my home page will be coming over here. Then when I have to give a feedback, I should press this button. So because these all are my sister's product, I will give a feedback to my product. So y'all can see that first they have given me a model from the bootstrap. So this is a add new feedback. So what should I do is I should first give a type to make this. So if I give a positive one, what will happen is I will give a good feedback. Then if I give a neutral one, it is not positive and not negative. So it's in the middle. And if I give a negative one, it will be bad. So I will first give a positive one. So I will give good product. Hank, I will type it in short form. Hank, yes, thank you, eShop. Now there is two options, as close and save feedback. So when I give save feedback, this feedback that I have given will be saved. So I will give save feedback. Then the local host says success. Then I will give OK. Then I will close this. So I will show you in my database. So I'm going to use Heidi SQL for this. So I will type Heidi SQL because I have installed it. So I will just give Heidi. Sorry. Yep, this one. Then I will open it. Then it will take a while to open. Yeah, then I will skip this. Then I will give my password. After I give my password, I will log into my Heidi SQL database. Then I will go to my eShop. Then in my eShop database, there is a table called feedback. So if I go to this feedback and go to data, y'all can see that the product that I added now. So y'all can see that today is the 12th of the first, yes. So this is the 12th, 2022. So this means the 12th means December and the first day of December. So y'all can see the 12th, first, then 8:37:43. So I have given it at 8:37:43 seconds. Okay, so that is that. So I will give a neutral feedback. So if I give this is the feedback that I gave. So I want you all to remember the type of this. So this is 1. Okay. Then I will give not good but not bad, shipping slow. So that is not a good product. That means it is a good product, but it's not good because the shipping is slow. Then I will give save feedback. Then I will get again success. Then if I go to my database and I will refresh it, then they will tell the type is 2 and the feedback is not good but not bad, shipping slow. So that was given over here, 8:39. So it was given in for the 45th second. So there are 60 seconds for 1 minute. So it has become 8:40. So this is the programming part that we are going to do over here. So now let's see what I have done in my backend code to make this. So first, in our purchase history page, I have told you about this on-click. So I told you that we are going to talk about this on-click in my previous videos that I told that we are going to do in another video. So now we are going to talk about that. So first, we arrived with the model. So first, for that, I have given an on-click as add feedback, and I have PHP echo the invoice data product ID. So how am I going to show this model? So after that, you all can see that the delete all records div. After that, I have given a comment against model. Then I have taken this model from the Bootstrap. So first, for my model title, I have given add new feedback. Then I have given the type as a call 12 and a call 3. And for those, I have given call 3 positive, call 3 neutral, and call 3 negative. Then for these, I have given type 1, and for the 4, even type 1, type 2, 4 type 2, ID type 3, 4 type 3. Then what I have done is, I should be shown with my user's email. So for this user's email, what I have done is, who knows that I'm going to give it from another user email and going to scam the seller, like making him feel bad about him. So that's why we have made a disabled option as an ID mail and a value of the echo the dollar mail. That means the mail of that person who has joined for this specific home page. So that means you all know that in this page you all can see that our header, my name is there. So if I go to my profile, you all can see that I have my specific email. So I can't change that. So you all know this part. Now let's talk about the others also. Then for my feedback. So what is our feedback? So that for that I have given a call 3 as a call 12 and an empty 2 and a row and a call 3 as feedback. Then a call 9 as a form control as a text area form control. That means columns 50s and rows 8 and ID as feed, and I have closed that text area. Then what I have done is for my model footer, I have given 2 buttons as a type button and a class as BT and secondary and a data BS dismiss as a model and a close. Then I have done the same thing but with the classes as the outline primary and a on-click as save feedback and an echo as PID. Now let's go to our script.js and check what I have done. Now first we should talk about this add feedback. So this is the first part. So if we don't do this part, how are we supposed to do this? Save feedback. So that is not possible. So first we should talk about this. Now in the beginning, we have talked about these models in our previous videos as forgot passwords. Likewise, we have done those. But for this, we should make a new model. That means a new model global variable. Then after that, what I have done is I have given a global variable as var_mg and a function at feedback, and while sending it, I have sent the ID. Then I have given var_boot and the get document.getElement by ID feedback model plus ID. Then the new Bootstrap model boot and the md.show. Then for my save feedback, what I have done is var type, and if this happens, that means if the type 1 is checked, the type should be equals to the 1. If the type 2 is checked, the type should be equals to 2. And if the type 3 is checked, the type should be equals to 3. Then I have sent it through an Ajax method. So you all know the through method. So I have sent it to the save feedback process. and r.open, and whilst in it I have sent the form data. So what have I done in our form data? So over here y'all know that we give varf and new form data, and f dot append the t as the type and the p as the id and the f as feedback dot value. Then I have given for my HTML, XML, HTTP request. What I have done is I have given the unready state change, and if the ready state is equal to the 4, that means that there should come a var t as the r.response text. Then if the t is equal to 1, the MD should be hidden. Likewise, if this not happen, the alert should come as t. So what have I done in my save feedback process? So this is not a big process. What we are going to do over here is, but first we should start a session. Then after that I have required my connection. Then after that I have given an if block. Then for this if I have given if the is set of the session u is there, this should happen. Then I haven't given an else, so that means nothing will be shown if there is no user for this. Then what I have done is the user email as the $mail and the post t as type and the p as PID and the f as feedback. Then we know about this date time parts. So first the $d as the new date time, as the time zone as the Asia Colombo, and the d should be formatted being like the time zone as TZ. Then the $date should be the d format as the years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds. Then after that what I have done is database IOD. So what is this IOD? Yeah, so that means insert, update, delete. That's all for this IOD. So for our search we have done something else. So we talked about this in our connection class. That means connection.php file. Then what I have done is I have inserted to this feedback table in our database. And for this feedback table, there are columns as type, feedback, date, product ID, user email. And for these values, what I have done is I have given the $type, $feedback, $date, the $PID, and the $mail. Then if this all happen, an echo should be as success. So this is what happened over here. So I gave this and I have sent it to my database and the echo came as success. So that is it for this video. I hope you all understood how to save feedback process.php and the purchase history model page. So this is it for this video. So I will be back with another video, that means my 37th video. So until that, stay tuned. So have a nice day and bye.